Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to surpass this error of GitHub push. So I've been trying to I've been trying to resolve this error of GitHub push on my GitHub. I'm trying to push my code to GitHub. I'm having issue. So when I press the git push origin master, I have this error, permission to Kinzorize, blah, 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 denied to. This happened as a result that I have two GitHub accounts and it's been denying me error to the second one for me to push this GitHub. So for we to resolve this error, we need to go to our blog to go to, if you're using a Mac, this is for Mac user precisely. If you're using a Mac, you go to your launchpad and type keychain. Then here you type git. Then it will show you the internet password you have. So I'll go to I'll go to this and click delete. Then to delete it, then let's go back. Let me call the master again. Now it's prompting me for the username. First of all, let me log in. Let me be sure of which GitHub account I logged in. Let me log out from this one. I want to use the new one. So let me log in into my Kinzorize GitHub account. So let me use the username for the GitHub is Kinzorize. Click. Kingsley 2017. Okay, maybe I have to delete both. Let me check the keychain again. Oh, it's not deleting. So I've deleted both of them. So now let me go back to, let me try again. Kingsley 2017, my password. Invalid username or password. So for us to I've deleted the change. So let me go back to my GitHub. It's asking me for my username, which is Kinzorize, my password. So now, I've committed the code. So let me refresh and see. So I just commit my code. So thank you guys for watching. This is how you resolve the problem of um this is how you resolve the problem of remote permission when you try to push your code to GitHub. Thank you for watching.